Today we are going to see some important things or facts to know for all civil engineers. Curtailment length. So curtailment is restricting the bar length, that is reinforcement length, according to the AST provided. So the curtailment length should be 0.3 L. L is the length of the beam or the element, or 40 times the diameter of the bar. Next is composition of mild steel. So it is of 99.75% of iron and 0.25% of carbon. Stiffness means force required to produce deformation which does not depend on external load. Height between each floor. For residential building, the height between each floor should be 3 meter. For industrial buildings, it should be 4 meter. For schools and colleges, it should be 5 meter. Effect of torsion. When torsion is applied, outer fibers will be stressed more when compared with middle section. Next is when D by B, that is depth to breadth ratio or length to breadth ratio, is greater than 2.5, then we will be providing deep beams. When beam subjected to bending moment, shear force, and if depth of beam exceeds 600 mm, provide side face reinforcement. Side face reinforcement is equal to 0.1% of gross area. Next is types of displacement. So displacement is the movement from original position due to loading condition. It is of two types, transitional and rotational. So transitional displacement means it will be in the given direction with same magnitude all the sides. Then rotational displacement means with respect to angle. Number of steps in a flight should be between 3 to 12. That is, in a flight, the number of steps should be between 3 to 12 and not more than 12. Usually, number of steps in a flight is adopted as 10. Slope of steps should be between 25 degree to 30 degree. Next is, if center to center distance between two columns is between 6 meter to 24 meter, provide flat slabs. If it is more than 24 meter, provide grid flooring. When load act at centroidal axis, bending moment and shear force are created. But when load acts eccentrically, torsion is also created. Minimum depth of beam thumb rule. For 1 meter span of beam, provide 100 mm depth. In seawater or exposed to seawater structures, provide minimum grade of concrete as M20 for plain concrete and M30 for reinforced concrete. Next is types of loading. There are three types of loading, that is monotonic loading, which means constant incremental of load in a single direction. Next is cyclic loading, which means alternatively loading and unloading takes place. Next is recyclic loading. This is also similar to cyclic loading, but alternatively loading and unloading in opposite direction. Dimensions of beams and columns. So these are the most commonly provided dimensions of beams and columns. They are 9 inches, that is 230 mm, 1 feet 300 mm, 1 feet 3 inches 375 mm, 1 feet 6 inches 450 mm, 1 feet 9 inches, that is 525 mm, 2 feet which is 600 mm, 2 feet 3 inches 675 mm, 2 feet 6 inches 750 mm. Thank you for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe to our channel. Give us your feedbacks and suggestions for our further improvements. Thank you.